Hi everyone, these are the solutions for Thursday's homework from last week. So for number one, we're going to label our sides as opposite and adjacent and hypotenuse. And you can see that we don't need the hypotenuse. So we just need something that's going to use adjacent and opposite, so that's going to be tan. So tan x is equal to opposite over adjacent. So now we're just going to substitute. Okay, and I can put this over 1 and cross multiply, and I get x equals 10 tan 27. You're going to put this in your calculator and make sure that it's on degrees, and rounding to the nearest tenth, you're going to get 5.1. So that's for number 1. Okay, so for number 2, we have the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent, and the one that we don't need is the hypotenuse. So again, we're looking for an opposite and an adjacent, so that's going to be tan. And then we're going to substitute. Cross multiply. Put it in your calculator, and you get 4.7. Okay, on to number 3. Label. Okay, then decide which one you don't need. Set up your ratio. Substitute. Cross multiply. And when you put that in your calculator, you will get that. Okay, number 4, so we label. Okay, get rid of the one that we're not going to use. Get your ratio. Substitute. Cross multiply. And then to get your x alone, you're going to divide both sides by sine of 46. Okay, so I'm just going to go from here to here to make some room. So you're going to put 8 divided by sine of 46 into your calculator, and you will get 11.1. Okay, moving on to number 5. Okay, we're going to label. Decide which one you don't need. Set up your ratio. Substitute. Cross multiply. Put it in your calculator, and you get 2.5. Okay, and number 6, label. Decide what you don't need. Set up the ratio. Substitute. Cross multiply. get the x alone. Put in your calculator, and you get 6.8. Okay, for number 7, the label. Decide which one you don't need. Set up your ratio. Substitute. Cross multiply. Put in your calculator. What's that? Okay, number 8, label. Get rid of what you don't need. Set up the ratio. Substitute. Cross multiply. Put it in your calculator, and we're done.